How to pin someone on Snapchat. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can pin someone on Snapchat, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to pin someone on Snapchat, all you have to do is go ahead and then first of all open the Snapchat application here. Then just come to the DMs page. And let's say you want to pin someone. There are different type of pins, whether you want to pin them as a number one best friend, but that will require you to have Snapchat Plus, or whether you want to pin the shortcut to your home screen or to the top of the page. So let's say I want to pin this person. Long press on it. Here you can choose to pin them as a number one BFF, but this means that you need to have the Snapchat Plus, so I'm going to ignore that for now. And here you can also see manage friendship or chat settings. I can choose to pin the shortcut to home screen, or I can just pin the conversation at the top of it. So when I tap on pin conversation here, I'll be able to simply pin this person to the top of my feeds above all people. Or I can pin the shortcut directly to my home screen by tapping on pin shortcut to home screen, tapping on the add option here, and then I'll be able to add this as a shortcut on my home screen. Just wait a couple of seconds until it loads up, and here you'll be able to see the shortcut for that person. This way you'll be able to go ahead and then basically pin someone on Snapchat. Hope this video was very helpful to you guys. If it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.